Alright guys, so I've got this Acekool smoothie blender in my kitchen and I've been putting it through its paces. First impressions? It's a beast. This thing packs a 1500 watt motor, which means serious blending power. We're talking pulverizing ice, crushing frozen fruit, no problem. It claims up to 25,000 RPM, and honestly, I believe it. The design is pretty sleek, it's got this nice white finish, and the 70-ounce jar is massive. Perfect for making big batches of smoothies for the whole family, or let's be real, just for yourself because they're that good. The jar is glass, which I prefer, feels sturdy and classic, plus no worries about BPA. One thing I really appreciate is the molded spout. Makes pouring super easy, no drips or spills. Now let's talk about the controls. It's got these 4 pre-programmed settings: smoothie, ice crush, grind, and juice. Super convenient, just one touch and you're good to go. But if you want more control, you can also manually adjust the speed. It's got this dial that lets you fine-tune the blending, which is great for getting the perfect consistency. Plus, there's a pulse function for when you need a quick burst of power. And check this out, it has an LED screen that shows a countdown timer. No more guessing if your smoothie is ready. You know exactly how long it's been blending. I've been using this blender for everything from morning smoothies to afternoon frozen margaritas. Don't judge. And it hasn't disappointed. It handles ice like a champ, makes super smooth smoothies, and even tackles tougher ingredients like nuts and seeds for grinding. Cleanup is pretty straightforward too. The jar is easy to rinse, although it's not dishwasher safe, which is a slight bummer. The base just needs a quick wipe down. So, is it worth it? I'd say so. The Acekool blender is powerful, versatile, and easy to use. The large capacity is a huge plus, and the pre-programmed settings make blending a breeze. The LED timer is a nice touch, and the overall design is pretty stylish. If you're in the market for a new blender, definitely check this one out. It's a solid contender, especially considering the price. I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.